Welcome to Chorley Street. We're here to have a look at number 94, which is a brick-built terrace property. And as I spin the camera around, you'll see we're positioned just opposite the David Lloyd Health Club. We've got a lovely central entrance door, 2 uPVC windows to either side. And then as we look up, on the first floor are 3 bedrooms and the bathroom. There's a garage at the back. The position really is superb. It's just a short walk really away from the town centre of Bolton. You'll probably be in the town centre within 5 minutes on foot perhaps. Really great location. There's a bit of work to do here. Does require a touch of updating, but we have got the double glazing. There's a Worcester gas combination central heating system in place as well. Might be a great addition to a rental portfolio, this one. Let's go inside and we'll have a look around. Welcome inside. So we've stepped in through the central entrance door. And we've got, it's a really nice feature actually, we've got the 2 windows to either side of the door and 2 radiators. I mean, you could probably divide this space up a bit more if you so wished, but it's quite nice in this more of an open plan design. There's plenty of natural light coming through. We've got the gas meter here, and on this side of the room we've got electric meter, water meter, stop tap, and the RCD fuse box as well there, with a special isolator for the boiler, of course. So there is a scheme of works to be done, but you've perhaps seen we've got the uPVC windows. We've got you've not seen it yet, but upstairs we've got the Worcester gas combination central heating boiler. There is the garage to the rear, of course. Kitchen is fitted with matching base and wall cabinets, stainless steel sink and drainer, uPVC window with fitted blinds. This table opens out as well, just on there. And no, I'm sure if you're looking at this, you've got your own ideas and ambitions about what you want to achieve with the property and perhaps what works you want to do. This is the dining room. So currently it's designed as a separate dining room and a kitchen. Perhaps if the correct supports were put in, for example, this could be opened up and it could be a much bigger open plan kitchen diner, which often that's quite popular these days. Nice modern uPVC window. This is just a quick look at the rear. This is the back of the garage, of course. We'll go upstairs first and then we'll have a proper look outside at the rear and what's behind the garage. So these are the stairs we're going to walk up to the first floor in just a second. So we stepped upstairs and we're on the first floor landing where there's a bit of built-in storage space in there. In fact, I'll show you. May as well have a look. There we go. I've called this one bedroom number 1 primarily because it's at the front. Really, traditionally the master bedrooms are at the front. We've got a uPVC window to the front and the radiator. This is opposite is the entrance to David Lloyd Gym. It's quite a nice position really, with the greenery and the mature shrubs and the mature trees. I'll just show you this up here. This is where there was problems with the chimney and up on the roof. I mean, as I understand it, it's resolved now, but no doubt you'll want to carry out your own fact-finding mission as well. Perhaps have a surveyor look at it. But there's a schedule of works needed with this property, and that just falls within it, which is why it's being sold with this methodology. Bedroom number 3, again, uPVC window, radiator to the front, and this is nice. Don't think it'll be included, but lovely Singer sewing machine in there. Probably a collector's item. Right? Bathroom's dead ahead, and this is bedroom number 2. So bedroom number 2, uPVC window to the rear. This does give us the aspect over the back of the property and the garage. We've got a radiator there. Again, there's been some damage to the ceiling on there. It's as I understand it, it's repaired, but same as the front bedroom really. You know, I'm sure you're going to get these things double checked yourselves. And into the bathroom. So we've got bath with electric shower over WC and pedestal wash hand basin in here. It's a good sized room. We've got a Worcester gas combination central heating boiler just on there, and the uPVC window as well. Just have one last look back this way, and then I'll take you out the back and we'll have a look at the garage. So I've stepped outside and I'm just in the back street here. So this is the back end of the garage building, and I thought it might just be a good opportunity just to show you what's behind the property. So that's the entrance to the garage, and we've got the cobbled street there, the car parking. I think this is for the gymnasium. Cobbled street, side street that comes down there, and again you can get out and go around that way. And as we push this through, this takes us into the back garden. Excuse me. So we're looking back up at the property there. So there's a scheme of works needed, as I'm sure you've seen as we've had a walk through, but you have got the uPVC windows, the modern gas combination central heating boiler, and there's been bits and pieces done with the electrics too, of course. This is into the garage. So 2 single glazed windows to the side. Probably needs a new garage door there. But yeah, really good to have the private off-road parking. Bags and bags of potential. Would be a great addition to a rental property portfolio, this one. I really like it. I think it's in a superb position, and importantly, I think it's a great buy. Any queries, any questions, please give us a call. Cardwell's Estate Agents Bolton, 01204 381 281. Thanks so much.